Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to find lost computer PC windows. Chapter 1. Set up Find My Device windows. To start, enter Search in the search. Click Find My Device. Remember that you must log in with a Microsoft account. Here, validate that the Find My Device switch is active. After this, go to Privacy and Security. After that, click on Location. The first thing is to validate that the Location Services switch is enabled. Now click on Set Default. After that, the Maps application will open. Wait for it to be updated. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you see that it has updated, select the desired location as the default. The last thing you will do is check that the switch is active. Let desktop apps access your location. Chapter 2. Use Find My Device windows. To start, enter Find in the search. Click Find My Device. Here, click on See all devices linked to your account. After that, select the browser to use. In your Microsoft account, tap Find My Device. Now, in the side panel, click on the device to detect. Click Find. Keep in mind that the device must have been active for a period of less than 30 days. In some cases, you must click Activate. This will enable the location. Now, if you want to remove any device, you must go to Devices. After that, locate the device, click on Remove Device. Remember to confirm the process. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.